Hey guys, Josh here from MobileTechVideos.com. Pleased to showcase our world's first JTAG support for the AT&T Galaxy Note. Alright, as I mentioned, this is the AT&T Galaxy Note, also known as the SGH-i717. It's the LTE Galaxy Note just debuting on AT&T's network in early 2012, and we are proud to announce our support, full JTAG support for hard brick devices. We can also repair these devices if they're in a boot loop state as well and just won't boot into Android. Here's our fully charged battery. We'll place the device in, and I'm holding the power button there, and we're getting no response at all. Also, a download mode jig yields no response. We're stuck with a black screen. There's no typical vibrate that would be associated with a valid bootloader. This can be caused by a number of different reasons, such as a bad repartition with Odin, bad bootloader flash, incompatible ROM flash from Clockwork Mod Recovery, and so on and so forth. However, MobileTechVideos.com has your world's first solution, and we'd love to show you how. Watch us as we fix your Galaxy Note from AT&T. Alright, we've got our AT&T Galaxy Note booting back up now. You just witnessed our JTAG repair followed by a successful download mode entry from our handy dandy download mode jig. This jig is available at MobileTechVideos.com. You can pick one up in our store. We've also loaded a custom ROM onto this particular unit for our customer. And this is us bringing back to life the Galaxy the Galaxy Note from AT&T, which is known as SGH-i717 and contains the MSM 8660, also known as the APQ 8660 as well. This is mobiletechvideos.com. Be sure to bookmark the site, check us out, like us on Facebook, follow us on Twitter, and be sure to subscribe here on YouTube for the latest, greatest content. As you can see here, all things are functioning correctly. All of our touch keys, all of our about phone information will be correct for baseband and model number and whatnot. And everything is good to go, as well as full S Pen functionality. Keep in mind that we can do this for the international version as well, which has the Cortex A9 processor, and we'd love to do that for you as well. We are working on the Galaxy the Galaxy Note from Korea, which is the Korean LTE version. We will have support for that soon. If you have any devices that you don't see support for on our website, we'd love to add support for these devices, but we must ask that you send these in. MobileTechVideos.com can add numerous amounts of support for devices that currently have no support on the open market if we simply are able to work with these devices. So be sure to contact us. Link in the description below for how to contact us. Once again, I'm Josh with MobileTechVideos.com. Thanks for watching, guys, and I look forward to seeing you on the next video, hopefully as a new YouTube subscriber.